unit step signal. Here we have a unit step signal. This unit means area is equal to 1. Unit means area is equal to 1. So basically unit step signal is defined as u of t, and its pictorial representation is it is 0 here, and this is 1 at t is equal to, it is not at t is equal to 0. At for t greater than 0, this value is 1. So basically u of t can be represented as 1 for t greater than 0 and 0 for t less than 0. This is our unit step signal for t greater than 0 and for t less than 0. Now let's apply all those operations which we have studied in the last sessions. So if I have to perform u of t minus 4, so I'll calculate its value, which is t is equal to 4 for t minus 4 equal to 0. So u of t was defined like this. At t is equal to, u of t was defined like this, but for u of t minus 4, it will be defined from t is equal to 4. It will be defined from t is equal to 4, and its area will be 1 only, which is u of t minus 4. Now if I have to take another operation like u of t plus 2, 3 u of t plus 2, so this will be t of t at t is equal to minus 2. What it will be? It will be defined from t is equal to minus 2. It will be defined from t is equal to minus 2, and this will be 3. So it is going up to infinity. This also going up to infinity. This is at t is equal to 0. This is 1. Okay. So this is a unit step signal. Now let's apply. Now let's apply another operation. Another operation is u of 2t. U of 2t. So we have seen that u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. So if I'll take 2t greater than 0, that means t greater than 0, which means it will be for 2t also 2t also, this will be 1 only. So the u of 2t will also be defined like this only. At t is equal to 0, and this will be 1. This will be u of 2t. This will be u of 2t. Same if I go for u of 3t. U of 3t if I go, so this will also be same. No change in the amplitude. So scaling does not, no effect of scaling. So there is no effect of scaling on step signaling. This will be u of 3t. This is t. It is going up to infinity. This is 1. Okay. Now let's perform one operation to understand this. Now let's take a question as u of minus 2t plus 4. So initially we will define first u of t as this is t is equal to 0. This is 1, and this is t. Okay, this is t, and this all is going up to infinity. So first same, we'll perform u of t plus 4, which is, this will be a minus 4, and its amplitude will be 1. This is t. Now what we have to perform? We have to perform a u of 2t plus 4. So this will act as alpha greater than 1. So this minus 4 will be divided by 2. So what will be getting here? This will be getting here minus 2. You will be getting here minus 2, and this will be t. This will be 0, and this will go up to infinity. So this is t. Now the last operation which we need to perform is minus u of minus 2t, u of minus 2t plus 4. Okay. Now last operation which we need to perform is u of minus 2t plus 4. So what we will be doing? We will be dividing that operation. We will be dividing that. Sorry, we will be dividing that minus 2. This is going up to infinity. This is t, and this is this is t. This is t. So what I'll be doing? I'll dividing minus 2 by minus 1. This will give me 2. So this operation will be reversed. Now it will go from minus infinity to 2. It will go from minus infinity up to 2, and this will be 1. Now previously it was from plus infinity. Now it will be from minus infinity. Okay, so this completes our unit step signal.